All right, guys, welcome back. Grab a pen and jot this down. I'm going to give you an introduction of what's going on this channel. We're going to talk about economics, investing, and finance. It's going to be a deep dive into the world of technology, specifically how to value these technology investments, how to make them, what does it take to build these technologies, to think about what's going on behind the scenes. I'm fascinated. I love thinking about digital assets. I think these intangible assets that sit on balance sheets are mispriced across the board. It doesn't matter what company you are. We're talking about IP, brand value, software, so much stuff that happens behind the scenes that's acquired from other companies, that's sold as a business, whether it's part of the cost of goods, whether it's part of the brand value and the marketing and the sales effort. You have all this stuff that you don't see anymore on the balance sheet. And it's very important. I'm on that journey. I want you to join us on that journey to figure out how to value these assets, how to make investments, and how to make money from these investments over time. So welcome. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you soon.